Welcome back everybody for another Tesla Tuesday tip. This is actually going to be a 2-for-1 because one of them honestly isn't really long enough or meaningful enough to make its own tip off of because it's like a 3-second thing. So the first one is, if you have a software update, you can actually go ahead and skip the 2-minute countdown by tapping the screen on the timer 3 times. Problem solved, it skips down to 1 second, and then you can go ahead and start the update sooner. The next one is what I'm mostly on about today, and it is that if you want to, you can share things from your phone to your car, which I know sounds a little weird, but could be kind of nice in some instances. So the first thing is you can share an address to the car. So you can go ahead and pull up Apple Maps or Google Maps or whatever you use and tap share, and it'll send it to the car, and the car will start planning directions for you. The next one is kind of a 2-for-1 as well because honestly, the infotainment center isn't that quick when it comes to things like media. So if you want to watch a YouTube video or a Netflix video, you can go ahead and straight through the app, just share to the car and it'll pull up YouTube.
Writing's not that easy, but...
Or in this case, it'll go ahead and pull up Netflix. I sometimes do this just because it is quicker to go on my phone and share it to the car than actually to load up the app and then search for it. Just because, again, that's something that Tesla could work on and speed things up. I tried to do this with Hulu and I couldn't find a way to share within the Hulu app. So it might work, but I wasn't able to confirm that. And then I don't have a Twitch account, so I couldn't do that either. So if either Twitch or Hulu do work, please let me know down in the comments just so I can inform people in the future. And then another thing was I tried to share a website. I just thought that maybe it might pull up the web browser, and it does not. So maybe that's something that'll be implemented in the future, but as of right now, as far as I can tell, it's only videos from YouTube and Netflix and directions from some sort of mapping app. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something from this Tesla Tuesday tip video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe for future Tesla Tuesday tips and Tesla news. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one.